Property developers are turning to multi-storey 3D printed homes as a solution to Australia's housing crisis. The first of its kind is currently under construction in Melbourne's outer western suburbs.
This robotic crane is laying the building blocks for what is set to be Australia's first multi-storey 3D printed home, as the average build time for a standalone home increases by 40%, according to Master Build Australia. Developers say this could be a faster and cheaper alternative.
Traditional builder who does 10 houses a year annually, we can up that to 50 houses.
Built with the impact of climate change in mind.
We will be seeing more floods, we'll be seeing more fires. These are weather systems that we haven't predicted before, and it's very hard to forecast. So how about if we build something that can stand fire better?
The building method is considered a more sustainable alternative.
3D printing gives us the opportunity to create quite customised forms that use substantially less concrete than traditional methods. So that's where the environmental impact happens, is that reduction in material.
But that doesn't account for the environmental impact of building material transportation. While 3D printed homes are considered more affordable than traditionally built homes, there has been no Australian research into that cost difference. Ahmed Mahil says the new technology will help smaller businesses keep up with rising demand.
When they have better tools like the robots, 3D printers, and incentives to use those, that will help them do what they can do best.